Welcome back, and we're continuing the news. Prime Minister Andrew Holness says in the long run, all government payments will be done digitally with the support of the National Identification System NIDS. These include social support to vulnerable groups during times of crisis. Mr. Holness was speaking on Friday at the signing of an MOU with deposit-taking institutions for NIDS identity verification and authentication services.
Wrap up this point about how are we going to respond to the crisis. This is part of it. This is important in establishing a seamless, robust, integrous, and efficient national identification system. We're moving ahead in parallel with the system of digital transfer through the central bank, the digital central bank currency, so that eventually all our payments, all our social support payments, our path payments and so forth, and eventually salaries from public sectors will be going through our digital system.
Mr. Holness argues that citizens who continue to criticize the NIDS are bent on destroying the country. He's urging all Jamaicans to give the identification system a chance.
So for those people whose vested interest is never to see this happen, please give it a chance. Stop spreading the false rumors and confusing our Jamaican people and keeping us behind.